Hi folks, this video is about the benefits of studying philosophy. Maybe you've just taken your first philosophy class and you're thinking about taking another one, or you're considering majoring or minoring in philosophy. You might have even noticed that philosophy's been in the press lately because Shakira took a philosophy class. I just want to say that it's not true, though, that philosophy is completely impractical. If you look online for lists of the sorts of skills that employers are looking for, they'll include things like critical thinking skills, creative problem solving, lots of points about communication skills, both oral and written communication. And if you look then at the learning outcomes that we study in philosophy classes, there's an incredible correspondence between all of the things that employers want and the kind of skills that you're going to build and practice in philosophy classes. It should be no surprise then that if you look how students in philosophy fare on general exams, they're extremely competitive. So here's, for example, a report on the LSAT scores by major, and philosophy is consistently one of those near the top. Or take the business school exam. Philosophy is one of the top performing majors even in business school. It outperforms economics on this standard exam. Or the most general exam for graduate school is the GRE, and philosophy is consistently one of the best performing majors here. You know, oftentimes you'll see English and political science, some of those majors quite high because students in those fields practice writing skills. Well, you get those exact sort of argumentation and communication skills in philosophy classes by doing lots of philosophical writing. But you also get logic skills and the kind of analytical computational reasoning that students in math-heavy fields like physics get. And so you get both of these in philosophy, and that's why our students perform so well on the GRE. Now, you might be wondering, you might be thinking, I don't care about getting smart. I actually just want to make a lot of money. Well, don't worry. Philosophy is not going to make you poor. Now, I have to admit there's something a bit misleading about this chart. You can tell this was made by a philosopher because they left off all of the STEM fields. They decided to leave off every major that makes more money than philosophy. So don't take this as a completely unbiased bit of evidence. All I want to do is convince you with this chart is that philosophy will not make you poor. It's not true that philosophers end up unemployed and destitute. Philosophy is really one of the most skilled, one of the most competitive majors that you can take for performance in the job market afterward or performance on these exams. So please check out the philosophy department, see what sorts of courses we have on offer. You can see all the exciting events we have on the department at the department by visiting our website. Thanks.